Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure portfolio tracking with Delta for Web3 assets step by step clearly. Open the Delta app on your device. Navigate to the home page to access the main dashboard. Tap on the portfolio section at the bottom of the screen. Click on the Add Asset button to begin configuring your portfolio. Select the option that indicates you want to add Web3 assets. Search for the specific Web3 asset you wish to add, like Ethereum or your preferred NFT. Once you find your asset, tap on it to select it. Input the amount of the asset you currently hold. If applicable, enter the purchase price to keep track of your investment. Review the details you've entered to ensure accuracy. Next, click on the Save button to add the asset to your portfolio. You can repeat this process for any additional Web3 assets you wish to track. To view your overall portfolio performance, return to the main dashboard. Explore the analytics options to gain insights into your portfolio growth. Check the variances in asset prices to make informed investment decisions. Adjust your portfolio settings as needed for optimal tracking. Finally, customize notifications to stay updated on market movements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.